Rabbeinu Malchol Yisrael Nivu Amen.
Chaim Shlomo Kraus is here. He's not here yet? He left Monroe. He's rushing some very, very big HaKor Satzei, like Walter HaKor Satzei. All the Yechidim that come to be Mechazik, our Besmedrish and Armenian, they have Millonim right there on top of them, and they bypass most different means. They come here because they know we need their chizuk, because that entire Yiddish is. And they told the Moshe that there was a Shrekh in Rusland by the communists, by the Bolsheviks, getting the Klarish or Gefellach Yizeri, and the entire Leibzoi Moshe Montefiore in Rusland is some begegnet met a high officer in the government. He said, Sir Montefiore, I heard that you Pidyu Shvuyim, that you're going to redeem all the Jews that are going to be affected by this decree. Do you have enough money? What you geld? So he said, my dear sir, if I have to give what I think a Jew is worth, that I'll never have that kind of money. But if I have to give what you think a Jew is worth, I can take it out of my back pocket right now. So he shuts up with Sayyid, but my entire Yidden, Eliezer Steinberg, so he said, I know Chesed, Bikr Cholim, I had Sole, all the one, comes to Leifen, Kinton Ateva Yidden. Fishman soll nun sein, at Padin sein Taten, was heute for many years, Rabbi Shmuel Fishbain, that was gearbeitet auf Cloud mit Sir Nefesh, Rabbi Fishbain, der Padin, was sagt, keep it up in. Chohino, many, all the way from Shalayim, Avram, and his son Hakimam, they're all the way from Shalayim, they're here with us for the summer. Also, in the saddest tkufa of the year, we mourn the trade of Churban Beis Hamikdash. Mipnei chatueinu golinu me'artzeinu. Somebody came, maybe it was coming, Chofetz Chaim. And then he says, there's a Sayyid, Daniel Chevelson, his name was Joseph Chevelson, going on Mishumed. He said, but Rebbe, he says, Tusa Halmo, I'm Kumsem Satevi, from Klal. So he's up there, as almost great, with Mr. Snevich, helping Ma'id, helping Klal. The Chofetz Chaim gesagt Zazei, a morsel. So there in Shvat, in Tevis, there's a starke Fress. So there's Schnee mit Eis. A Balagolas, he's riding with his horse and wagon at half the laches, holding the reins on the horse, and the headbands going for a front. They were very cold, they froze. So in Ayid was there, he feared on the Gola, he says, he stood up to stop the wagon, go down, take a little bit of snow, and rub your hands, and this it'll thaw out the frozen fingers. He said, really? Yeah. It's like how he jumped off the wagon, and he picked up some snow, a miracle truck. You see, his hands thawed out. He said, oh my goodness, up there. look how wonderful that I found snow to be able to thaw out my hands. What would happen? What would be if it would happen in Tammuz, in the north, if my hands froze? Where would I find snow for it? He said, Chofetz Chaim, "B'pnei chatzueinu golim ne'artzeinu." Der Fall hat leid the Klarishol, to the Polish Yishol, to Lingi Chevre, or the all the preachers, the Chil Hashem, the Chil Shabbos, over Kolater Kule, the Home Take, as Shil Zain, the letzte Tishibov, and Zedek to be the base on Midrash, the Guru Shlema, the heavy Amen Omen. Mani, Ben Akash Oimer, Rosso, HaKadosh Baruch Hu Zaki Shishol, the Tikal Hero Ter Mitzvah, Shinemar, Adonai Chofetz L'man Tzidkoi, Yagdol Ter Yadi.